All right, IM1 classes. Today we're going to continue solving equations. This time we're going to look at equations with variables on both sides and how to handle that. So let's get right into it. So our first example, 3x minus 6 is equal to 9x plus 14. Very important that we include a line of separation on these so we can see that we have x's on both sides of the equation. Last lesson we talked about when we have more than one x in the equation, how to handle that. You combine like terms, but you combine like terms only if the variables are on the same side. Since these are on opposite sides, you want to do something a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is get the variables on the same side of the equation by eliminating one of them. I'm always going to look at what x has the smaller coefficient. The value of the coefficient is smaller. So if I'm looking at the x's, so there's the 13x and the 9x, the 9 is less than 13. So I'm going to eliminate the 9x. To do that, I subtract it. And I got to subtract it. Whatever you do from one side, you do to the other side. So 9x minus 9x, that eliminates. It's gone. 13x minus 9x is 4x. Now, once you're here, this is like a normal two-step equation. You can start eliminating the things on the same side as the x. So I'm going to eliminate the 6. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Minus 6 plus 6 cancels out. And I get 4x is equal to 14 plus 6 is 20. And then last step, eliminate the 4 by dividing both sides by 4. So the 4's cancel out. I get x is equal to 5. Make sure you are eliminating one of the variables on one of the sides. It doesn't matter which one you choose to eliminate, but it is going to make it easier. You'll have to deal with less negatives if you eliminate the variable with the smaller coefficient. So I want you to try this one on your own. Pause the video, and then when you're done, check your answer. I'm going to go ahead and work through it right now. So first thing I'm going to do is get the x's on the same side by eliminating one of the x's. The 9 is smaller than the 12, so I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. So 9x minus 9x, that eliminates. 12x minus 9x is 3x minus 3 is equal to 27. Now I can start eliminating the stuff on the same side as the x. I'm going to eliminate the minus 3 by adding it. So minus 3 plus 3 eliminates. I get 3x is equal to 30. Then I'm going to divide to eliminate the 3. Divide both sides by 3. Times 3, divide by 3, eliminates, and you get x is equal to 10. All right. Next one, same idea. You want to pick which x has a smaller coefficient, and I'm going to eliminate that one. So over here, the 6 is smaller than the 8, so I'm going to eliminate the 6x. To do that, I'm going to subtract 6x. 6x minus 6x is 0, that cancels out. All that's left on this side is the negative 8 is equal to 8x minus 6x is 2x minus 6. Now I can start eliminating things on the same side as the x, so I have to eliminate the 2 and the minus 6. To eliminate the minus 6, I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So minus 6 plus 6 eliminates. Negative 8 plus 6, think about this on a number line. Negative 8 is to the left of 0. And then you add 6, you count to the right. So I'm going to get closer to 0. I end up at 2 is equal to x, or 2x. And then final step to eliminate this 2 over here, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Times 2 divide by 2, that cancels out over there. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And we are done. So next one, try on your own. Try to find use the smaller coefficient on the x, eliminate that one, and solve. So to solve this, I'm going to, the 6 is smaller than the 9, so I'm going to eliminate that. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides, 6x. Positive 6x minus 6x is 0, so that cancels out. All that's left over here is the 4 is equal to 9x minus 6x is 3x minus 5. Now I can start eliminating the stuff on the side with the x, so I can eliminate the 3 and the minus 5. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. 4 plus 5 is 9, is equal to 3x, and then divide by 3 to eliminate the 3. I forgot to cross this out. I'll do that now. Times 3 divided by 3 cancels out. 9 divided by 3 is 3. All right. Next example, we're going to deal with some negatives. So here, I'm going to bring down line of separation. So I want to look at at the x's, what has the smaller coefficient? Negative 10 or negative 7 or negative 10. Negative 10 is smaller than negative 7. That's the lesser value. So I'm going to eliminate the negative 10. Since it's minus or negative 10x, I'm going to add 10x to both sides. Negative 10x plus 10x, that's 0, that cancels out. So over here, negative 7x plus 10x. Think about it on the number line. Negative 7 is to the left of 0. We're adding 10, so we're counting to the right. So we're going to cross over into the positive values. This comes out to be 3x, positive 3x. Minus 8 is equal to 4. So next, I can start eliminating the stuff around on the same side as the x. So I can eliminate the minus 8 by adding 8 to both sides. Minus 8 plus 8 eliminates. I get 3x is equal to 4 plus 8 is 12. And then the last step, this is times 3. So to eliminate the 3, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, I get x is equal to 4. All right. Try this one on your own. You can pause the video, and then when you're done, start it up again and check your answer. I'm going to work through it right now. Put in my line of separation. So actually, I have the same values here, a negative 7 and a negative 10. The negative 10 is smaller than negative 7. That's further to the left on the number line. So I'm going to start off by eliminating the negative 10 by adding 10x to both sides. So minus 10x plus 10x, that eliminates. Negative 7x plus 10x is 3x. Minus 5 is equal to negative 26. Now I can start eliminating the things on the same side as the x. So I'm going to eliminate the minus 5 by adding 5. Minus 5 plus 5 eliminates. You get 3x is equal to, so negative 26 plus 5, again, think of this on number line. Negative 26 is way to the left of 0. When we add 5, we're going to get closer to 0. So negative 26 plus 5 is negative 21. Then I'm going to divide by 3 to eliminate the 3. So times 3 divided by 3 cancels out. I get x is equal to negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. All right. Last set of problems. So same thing, you just want to make sure you're looking at what value is smaller. Look at the coefficients, the numbers attached to x, which one is smaller? Negative 5 is less than negative 2. This is further to the left on the number line. So I'm going to start off by eliminating the negative 5x by adding 5x to both sides. So negative 5x plus 5x cancels out. All that's left over here is the negative 1 is equal to negative 2x plus 5x. So think about the number line. -2 is just to the left of 0. When we add 5, we count to the right. So we're going to cross over into the positive values. So you get 3x, positive 3x, plus 14. Now I can start eliminating the things on the same side as the x. So I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. Plus 14 minus 14 cancels out. So all I have left on that side is 3x. -1 minus 14. So -1 is just to the left of 0. When we subtract 14, we go further to the left. So we're getting further away from 0. So we end up at -15. Divide both sides by 3 to eliminate the 3. So 3's cancel out. So -15 divided by 3 is -5. All right, last problem. Do this one on your own. Check your answer when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and work through this right now. So just like we got a lot of -10s and -7s on this lesson. Did not do that on purpose. But anyways, -10 is further to the left than -7, so that's the smaller value. So I'm going to add 10x to both sides to eliminate the smaller x coefficient. So -10x plus 10x eliminates. All that's left on this side here is 3. Then -7 plus 10x. So that's going to cross over into the positive values. You get positive 3x minus 3. Last step, now I can start eliminating these things on the same side as the x. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. -3 plus 3 cancels out. 3 plus 3 is 6, equal to 3x. And then to eliminate that 3, I'm going to divide by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Oh, we don't need the 1 there. So that's it. Your assignment is on Delta Math. It's on Delta Math. Get that done today, and we'll see you next time.